This is how to operate and change the core of the Nix Pix Padlock. Here we have the Nix Pix Padlock. With its removable core. Here are two original keys. The key with the iron bow on the right is the operating key. The key on the left with the brass bow is the withdrawal key with W on it. The two keys have the exact combination of bits, but the only difference is the groove right here above the numbers. You see the operating key has the extra groove while the withdrawal key does not. Let's first show how to unlock the Nix Pix Padlock with the operating key. Spring release the shackle. Shackle swings around 360 degrees. Now it's locked. Now let's show how to change the core of the lock. You use the withdrawal key. You see this little dot on the core needs to line up with the little dot over here. Stops right here. Now this core falls out. You see all 8 sliders, and each of them is numbered, corresponding to the numbers on the key. Now let's just show how the bits work the sliders. All the sliders are spring-loaded. Once the key is entered, all the key bits push the sliders so that they all have the same opening, or the groove. Now let's put the core back. The 2 dots have to line up exactly for the core to fall in, like that. Now we just need to lock the core with the withdrawal key, like that. So that's how you unlock the Nix Pix Padlock and change its core. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.